Hello, everybody. Today is the day of my workshop here in Milano. As you can see, it's Christmas time, and people are just waiting for the workshop at the hotel. And my studio is exactly at a throw of stone from here, and this is amazing. So, have a wonderful Christmas and a big kiss from Milena.
Good morning. Today, with my British accent instead of the US one, because I'm just coming back from London, it is the day of the workshop here in Milano. This is the last, date in the north of Italy, and the next one will be Rome, that is sold out. And here we are in Milano city center in a wonderful location today. As you know, is a private workshop because Inborn Voice has just, private workshop, very intense, very consistent, but especially very intuitive, and they are very, very perfect for people that wants to improve more than a standard way or a rational one. Is more connected with the quantum idea of the vibration. I really believe in this project, and I move myself and Inborn Voice all over the world. Usually people think that Inborn Voice is just for, personal situation. That's right. It is, right? But there are also many other opportunities, and I work a lot with team building. That's very important, or customer care, or many other ideas. Everywhere you can find voice, Inborn Voice can be there in a different and new way. So how can I say about customer care and team building? Usually the opportunity and improvement of communication of the staff and all the level, and the economic improvements of also the industries or the factory that works with me is around 30-35%. So it's very, very important. What can I say? I can say that is very, very innovative, very, very rebel. It's very, very new, but especially it comes from the heart. It's very important for me. So this is the 1st of December, so we are nearly at the end of the year, we are near Christmas, so I want to wish to everybody a Merry, Merry Christmas, and I want to wish a very beautiful next year, happy one, but I want to wish it also to Inborn Voice and my staff, that next year will be full of things and full of new opportunity to spread this important message from the team building level to the personal one till reaching the spiritual one, because Inborn Voice is something that is able to touch your soul really deeply, but moreover is, like my students say or clients, is a magic, a big kiss and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Mylena.